Bosch Art 23-10, 8Li cordless grass trimmer home and garden cutter easy grip for beginner. 20 A bare tool, without battery and charger. Product description: Signy on chip, intelligently controlled energy for every project, easy to store and access. Blades from the handle, 1 battery for all, fits for all tools and garden tools of the power for all. Lithium-ion cordless systems, easily change handle angle and height position to ensure comfortable trimming. Product specification: model, Art 23-10, 8Li. 20 Ah, battery type, Li-ion battery, voltage, 10.8 V/2.0 Ah, battery charge time, 1 hour, working diameter, 23 cm, mulching distance, 200 m, *, depending on work environment, adjust the height, no cutting system, Durablade, weight approximate 1.7 kg, 3.74 lb, plant protection, yes, includes, bare tool, body only. Bosch Art 23-10, 8Li cordless grass trimmer home and garden cutter easy grip for beginner. 20 A bare tool, without battery and charger. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.